Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad K. Sangma haringkat usembut Menteri Rangba Bak Presdun Tensong haka pratarik yayong kilalit ya kendu ya Menteri Kesorkar Pedeng ubekmi iketenat Minority Affairs Kiren Rijiju ha New Delhi banyakran halor kejing sngokhya kabai David kejing terwa ban Penteri Kam yaka FCRA Amendment Bill. Hakini kejinyalang lawan Yashim Bentalang Ru Dakinomi Khmat Naka Catholic Bishops Conference of India CBCI bat kiway pat ki badan Bentalang. Kani kekenhuan ka kentup yo Presiden ka CBCI Anthony Cardinal Paula bat Secretary General Most Reverend Anil Joseph Thomas kuto haka jingyakren kani ka kenhuan kalapan pau halor ki benta bakongsan bala syem hakaliang ka puli puthi ka kwat ka khya bat ka jing syakri ya ka imlang salang hakeleng ka jela bat ka than chate la mingi khamtam syakithan ki bakendong tam jong ki riwlum ki babon na kini ki tena trekam ki dei ki bala kershan lingba ka jingbei tingka ki bana syabar jongkari bat ki badang beteng ban syakri syakinong syongshnong ki badang saadin bat no senyang na kebenta ka bha kamiat bat ka roi ka par jong kathan ka kenhuan kalapan pau ka jing sokhya halor ki katto katne ki kendon jong kate ka amendment bala terwa khamtam ha ka bai dei bat ka jing kurum no ya ki jing don jing em kabalapan mi ya ka jing artatin hapdeng ki kenhuan seng kristan lembat ki wei pat ki kenhuan seng ki basyakri ya ka imlang salang kila banjur halor ka jing don kam ya ka jing ya tai basani ban pentikna ban la ban penbei bha ya ki bakum kine ki jing e ila dep ban penpau ya ki jing snokhya bala pensngau da ki kenhuan kristan khamtam halor ki kendon bayadei bat ka jing kurup ya ki jing don jing em bat banjur halor ka jing don kam ya ka rupom trekam ka baya hap bat ka jing yamir jengmut ka basani ong Menteri Rangba haba penpau halor ka jing kta ka bejeliu jong kini ki jaka trekam uloong ki jaka ajing syakri bala kershan pisa na syabar ka jongkari kadei ka benta ka bakongsan ka balawan ra ka jingkela ka bakrau hak ba ajing syakri hakal yang ka pule puthi ka kot ka khya bat ya ka imlang sa lang hakito kithan ki badang sa din bat ki ba kendong tam ha ka jela Meghalaya bat ka than syate lamingi Menteri Kesorkar Pedeng Kiren Rijiju ula syak skor ki mat bala pensngau ha bat pentikna syak ka kenhuan ba on sakmi bnia yakini ki mat ki bala pensngau ula kularu ba on sa penlong ya ka jingya selok bat baro ki badan benta ha kani ka kam haswa ban rai khaddu ban penkela ya kino ki amendment ngalayok mensim na ka jingkular jong Menteri Kesorkar Pedeng ba on sa penlong ya ka jingya selok ka bayar bat ki badan benta ha ka kam bat ban sakmi ya ki jing snokhya haswa ban shim ya ka nukuno ka rai ba khaddu ong Menteri Rangba ka jing temu ka jongi ka long ban trei rengkat bat Kesorkar India ban penti kena ba ka an kan ajing ya dana ka benta ka bha kamiat jongkari bat ya ka jing no senyang ba koridor bat ka jingle iki kam isen da ki kenhun niam ula benram ka kenhun kalaban juru halor ka jingkongsan ban pendrung ya ki benta ki ban ajing ya da ha ka jing thau ya ka an ban penti kena ba ka jing ajing syakri ka bakongsan kandang ya peteng ha ka lenti ka bakhoi basuba bat badon jingkit kli ulapan pauru ya ka jingdon kam ban yada ya ka hok bat ya ka rukom trekam jong ki sengnyam bat ki kenhun tremon snobha na ka benta ka bha kamian ha ka imlang salang haba pen pau ya ka jingkermen scam hadian kene ka jinga kendu Menteri Rangba uloong ngidon ya ka jingkermen balingba kene ka jinga keren bat ka jinga trelang kan mi kalat ban yada ya ki hok jong ki kenhun haringkat ka jingdon ya ki sinjam ki baperking.
The entire purpose of our meeting was regarding the FCRA Amendment Bill. We expressed our concerns as Christian organizations regarding the Amendment Bill, especially Section 16, where new clauses are being introduced, where seizure of the property can be done based on a designated authority. Of course, there are much more legal aspects to it. But there are 3-4 more other provisions which were concerned, and we raised the issue and we requested the Honourable Minister if a much more larger discussion can be made with other stakeholders so that these concerns that are there can be addressed. So we are very happy. The Honorable Minister has given a very positive response, and that he will definitely take up the matter at the top level, and he will get back to us. And we are very hopeful that this particular bill, before it is passed, there will be detailed discussion and necessary amendments will be made to ensure that the property and the rights of different institutes, especially the Christian institutes, are protected. And that is the purpose of our visit. And we are coordinating with different denominations, we are coordinating with different organizations, and we'll be meeting different ministers in order to express our concerns. And we are hopeful that the necessary amendments will be made.